morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is basically a video of the trade that helped me pass my account. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we have this support marked up. You see price came and broke through. I actually had this one marked up instead, and that's what this reacted off of. When price pushed up, I dragged this down here, and when price pushed up, I dragged this up here. So none of this part was formed yet, right? And so when that happened, I went to my 16 chart and price came down to this imbalance right here, tapped it. I got in early and price pushed up, came down, tapped the imbalance, made a W, pushed up, came back to retest the neckline twice, and then pushed up. I know it sounds simple, but let me show y'all. Oh no, wrong video.
Hey, you only need 800, don't you? Or 1,000.
Yeah, I only need like 800 or 900 bucks. So as y'all can see, I'm in this trade.
That's only 2 ticks. It shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, it's only 200. So as y'all can see, price broke highs, retested, I got in, aiming for the imbalance. See, this is SPX, this is oil, this is gold, back to Nas. I'm stressing right here. So you can see it got close.
Alright, yes, we tested the ties.
It's very risky right there, what I just did. Come on, 30. 16W right here. I called Nas 30 by mistake. I mean, Nasdaq 16W right here.
I'll break that low. So I could potentially take this down.
Now it breaks these lows on the 16, I get the fuck out. Because it touched imbalance. Now, my stop loss was under. Now, here's the thing. I pulled my stop loss down because my strategy is supposed to say when it grab imbalance, stop loss under the imbalance, blah, 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 blah. This never really came back to grab my stop loss, but what I did there was bad. I was trying to battle myself just now, but what I did there was bad. I wasn't supposed to move that motherfucker, but I didn't want that bitch to tap me on a winning trade, you feel me? But mentally, had this lows have been broken, or had that imbalance been broken, that's when I would have felt like I should have got out the trade. So you'll probably hear me say that. Beneath that, actually, my stop loss was underneath them lows. But come on, break these highs and keep going. How much ticks is this?
Yeah, that's just your patience.
I'd be like, bro, this trade took forever to play out. The whole time it only took 26 minutes.
Yeah, that's just your patience.
I'd be so mad that the trade takes so long in real time until I watch the recording and that should only be like 26, 30 minutes long. I'm like, hold on, that's only a whole TV show.
Oil is what will make you realize oil could do like a 4-hour trade. Just give you 20
Dawg.
ticks. That would be the worst.
I just need Nasdaq to shoot up, grab that imbalance. That's all I want. That's all I want.
Huh? So going
Slime,
down.
did you post a video last night on
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yep.
Yeah, I got a message. I was like getting ready to nod out, go to bed. Then I got a message said
I
that you
was
post something.
I was doing the same thing mid sleep. Had to pop my ass up. So now I'm finna drop this motherfucker. And shoulders forming on this six. Just push past. Ticks down.
Hmm.
Probably
I
will
got
be
like a 32
32.
imbalance.
Had some people shook.
It's come back on the buy.
This is it for me. So 30 rejected and started pushing the fuck up. It made an inverted head and shoulders.
Listen,
Okay.
I'm very impatient when it comes to trading, and this is what hurts
I
me.
need ES to follow. Uh-huh. Make a W here. Uh-huh.
All right.
Listen, tell Miss Ray her luck suck right now. Tell her she gotta come back tomorrow. She want that beautiful buy. We already missed it. We gotta settle with what we get. They got chicken nuggets out on the buffet, man. Just find some barbecue
Well, it's
sauce.
a W on the 16 chart, right?
Yup.
Yeah, I got a buy stop limit up there. So
That's
I was just hoping,
just
I'm
tapped
in,
in.
I'm
Yup.
in.
I knew you was
Yep,
tapped
I'm in.
in.
I just wanted it to come down. I was gonna move my buy stop limit down. Sure.
All right, now let's go, Nas. Go ahead, give me what we asked for, man. We asked for the imbalance tap. You got your stop loss underneath the W, Miss Ray?
16. Look, where's my stop loss?
Or do you have it underneath the 32 low? That's a mission, though. Hi, come on, crack through. Want to close the trade?
Yeah, break even.
No, it ain't trip. 50 ticks. I think it's like
Your third.
YouTube is recommending it to. Bro, I
Oh,
get. I got
that's why it
recommended
is with
from
YouTube.
a cooking channel.
That's why it is with YouTube. That's why when you hear people say they want likes, it puts them in the
Yeah,
hot.
and listen, you got Miss Ray and Tori asking for it. You can't falter right now. 659.
W on the 16? Let me see.
And that's $6. Two.
No, it's not.
More bullshit.
You would have got out
As a matter of fact, I was gonna say something.
at least at 50 ticks.
Listen.
Break even.
I was gonna say fucking stop loss for me.
That's poor for you.
Oh my god.
I need to that break even. That way you could have got me a better price.
Yeah,
Fit, huh?
that's literally your rule slam 100 ticks and then you put a break even.
See, I was
So you
trying to
can't
hold it.
complain if it does lose because you would have got out at least at 50 ticks.
Nah, probably just only break even. Because I have it set automatic and it ain't shoot nothing past just break even.
But did not go 150 ticks, no?
Nah, it didn't even give 150. If it did, I'd have been out already. Because it automatically does it. You feel me? So that's what I'd have been more happy if it went 150 in profit. Because then it would have been 750. I'd have probably took that motherfucker. It'd been cool. You feel me?
Water.
Yeah, we would have got some water, fucking drink. Like shit would have been real. Don't mind me talking
No,
shit.
yes.
Cause
Yes, break.
don't mind me
16.
talking
Say
shit.
that
Cause
in
when
the
I go on
video 'cause
YouTube,
I'm
I'm finna
recording
pretend
myself.
like I wasn't struggling on this trade. When I go on YouTube, I'm finna hit y'all with the
There
man.
we
Y'all know
go.
this shit was supposed to buy up forever, man.
Oh my god.
Listen, Nasdaq. You hear SPX going up? I better see the same thing from you, nigga.
Go for sweet demands.
This is me when I be trading. Nah, nah, nah. The sweet talk was the first retest. The second sweet talk was the second retest. At this point, you don't need no more fucking sweet talking. Now I got to be stern to you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mhm.
You know what happened if it just dropped right?
There we go. See, Ash, this trade gave you it 3 times.
I mean, that's your trade. Me, I
One,
would. There's no
two,
trade there for
You hit
me.
that 32
3.
imbalance. Right there.
Oh yeah, that's 3 trades for you.
There
Yeah.
you go. Come on.
There
Come
you
on.
go. There you go.
Come on.
Go up a little higher. A little higher.
Mhm.
A little bit. Ah, ah,
Keep
ah.
going. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Order filled.
Thank you.
There you go.
There you go.
I give it 52 man. Let's go.
Ah,
Come
made
on,
my
ES. Come on, ES.
$1,000.
Come on, ES. Come on, ES.
Ah, that's all we had
Yeah,
to
come
make
on,
today,
ES.
ladies
Come
and
on,
There we
gentlemen.
ES.
go. Keep going. Keep shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going.
Okay, there we go. ES. Draw payout. We really have.
Profit. As you guys can see, it hit my TP and immediately got the fuck on. So, had I tried to be greedy, had I tried to do anything extra, I would have got clapped. But that was my $1,000 trade. Let's go. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.